What's good, guys? It's me again, back with another unboxing. As you can see by the title and now obviously by the box, you know what's in there. I know what's in there. Let's get straight into it. You have the, let's just see if I can get that close to the camera. Cool. Air Jordan 4 Retro Levi's NRG. Denim sale, game red. You guys can read all that. UK 10.5. Levi's Jordan 4s. Let's go. Guys, I'm filming at an awkward angle here, so I've got to reach. So, yep, you got the, I don't know, the card that you want to call it. What's it saying? Jordan and Levi's are together again, using the signature Air Jordan style. Guys, you could just pause that and read it. You've seen it before. I have too. Let's move on to the shoe. Okay. So there we go. Denim Jordan 4s. The denim's showing up a bit, would I say darker on camera? Yeah, just a little bit darker on camera. There we go, the lighting's a bit better there. Wow, what is happening? What is my phone doing? Wow. I think I'm gonna just pick it up. Let me move this table out of the way. Apologies for the technical difficulties, but yeah, let's go. So, Levi Strauss, what's it called? Tab there. Air Jordan 4, size 11.5. I'm guessing that's the American sizing. Leather tab. The laces are loose. I've addressed this already before on the other video. But like I said, guys, I buy these from different people, from stores. I get them for retail sometimes. And the ones I get for retail, you see that they're all factory laced, etc, etc. And the ones I get for resale or that I get from friends or favors, excuse me, they come like this because sometimes people want to do their own videos, they want to do their own Insta stories, you know how it goes. I don't really get that much hate, but a lot of people just keep commenting, fake this, fake that, and most of the comments do make me laugh because I love it when people try and apply knowledge to that, like on my Jordan 1 off-white, the new one, 2018, the white, somebody tried to tell me, oh, they're fake, and then it goes, they didn't come with a plastic wrapper, they're fake. And I'm like, bro, people throw those things away. It's not like, oh, the midsole's missing. Somebody threw the midsole away. Like, I couldn't hide that. It probably would be fake if it didn't have a midsole. But guys, the shoe is authentic. You can tell it's authentic. It's fully intact. Guys, that's the one thing I don't like about the community is that people, like, they're so quick to call each other out. And it's like, yo, if somebody genuinely has a pair of fakes or you genuinely think they're fake, ask, oh, are they fake? I think it's fake because of this. And don't pretend that you have a lot of knowledge. Just ask. Like, there's a way to go about it instead of accusing people. I just find it so funny sometimes, but it's just unnecessary. But anyway, let's get into the shoe. You've got the denim, you've got the leather logo, you've got the wheat stitching, and the wicked thing about this collaboration is they put the, what's it called? They put the denim over the midsole as well, which is sick. And it's kind of reminiscent of the Jordan 13. When they done it with the suede, and the suede used to come over onto the midsole, and because sometimes the suede used to be dyed, it would leak into the sole. So that's for all my OG heads there. Those were the days. Red, white, and gum sole. I love the color blocking. It suits the denim. It drops nice. You've got the embossed Jordan logo on the back, on the tab there. It's all very standard stuff. Jordan upside down, Levi's. So which shoe is this? That's the left shoe. Go on the floor. There we go. That's the rest of the box. Open that up. So guys, it is pretty much the same thing. Oh, hold on. What? Look at that. Are they supposed to come like that? There is no way. I'm gonna check this right now because I did not even. Maybe this was a factory fault, or maybe it just says R, but I'm pretty sure it's supposed to say Levi's. But again, you've got the red air bubble, gum, white and red outsole, denim midsole, leather patch, Jordan embossed on the back. And I love how I was just about to say leather. And what I meant is, I love how the denim's already coming kind of frayed and beaten up. Like, even here, the finishing, it's not all nice and neat. It's quite, you know, beat up, vintage. You've got the bronze lace tips. So I like how the denim is beat up. It just gives the shoe a bit more character. Guys, let me know, because I already know I was talking about, oh, I don't get fakes, this is missing, blah, blah, blah. And now you guys are going to see this and be like, oh, this guy's an idiot, whatever, he's a hypocrite. I'm just going to see, I'm going to hit up my plug and see what's going on with that. I'm also going to research if other pairs came like this. But yeah, guys, it's the Levi Jordan 4 unboxing. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what else you want me to do, what else you want to see on my channel. If there are any upcoming kicks you want me to get and unbox. Guys, I'm a student, so you know my finances are always back and forth, upside down. So yeah, we're not made of money, we're just hustling. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Peace.